Hello everyone, Sept here, Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, 2025. It's 3:14 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time, and we are already done with our live analysis and trading US afternoon session. Wow, what a mouthful. Let me put it here. US afternoon session. I'm doing live analysis. If we see a trade, I'll take it. You want to be part of that? Okay, we are testing everything out. It's been going great. You don't have to pay anything to watch me make the analysis live and maybe take some trade. Here's my phone number. Send me a text message. Do not call me. I'm not gonna answer. Send me a text message and say, hey Ra, I want to be part of the live trading analysis, US morning session or US afternoon session. Okay, so, and if we still have a few spots available, so if you wanna do that with us, just let me know. So we have here and you're gonna, at the end of the during the video, I'm gonna talk about what happened today. I took one trade. I make a big mistake, but we fixed that. So it's a great trading day, great trading analysis, great trade management. So I hope you enjoy the video. I am super tired. I've been working, trading all evening and all London morning session in my personal accounts. So yeah, I'm smoked. But anyway, that's not your fault nor your problem. Check out the video. Let me know in the comments. Send me a message if you would like to join our live sessions. And I'll see you later. Have a great one. Enjoy. Alrighty, it's 2:35 in the afternoon, and we're here trading the NASDAQ Futures as always. September 2025 contract. This is a 15-minute chart, and what do we have here? Easy. Let me get this out of the way. But okay, we have the only thing we have in this chart is a major entry level. That's it. No minor entry level, no main entry level. Well, we have this mini entry level, but this level right here is the one, the most important one. And market has been bouncing off that level. They try to break it and they couldn't. They right here, right here, right here, and wait a minute, wait for it. Up right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, blah blah blah, etc, etc, etc. Why? Because porque there is a very important reason of why market has been doing that. Well, in the morning it went boom to the upside and then resistance level. I'm pretty sure we have a target zone right here. I don't have it marked because no need to. This minor entry level is not valid, so don't focus on that. All right, so I'm gonna tell you the reason after. When we finish the video, we'll go over what's going on, but it's, and when I tell you guys, you're gonna say, nah, Come on, Ra. How do you know? Well, it's called studying the chart and knowing its price action. All right. So right now we have. Let's focus on what we have right now. Right now we have a mini entry level and we have a major entry exit level. We could do this. We could grab our fibs. We could take this high. We could take this low. We could see here a let me do it from here. And we have a resistance zone. Okay. Now we could go. We don't even have to go, but we'll go there. We'll take this low up, and we could take this high up, and we are going to have a resistance support zone up. We are going to have a resistance zone way up here, and I forgot to do something. And said, come on. Okay. Here, what? To here. We are going to have a support zone. Why am I using those specific pivots? There's a reason. Fibonacci, the Fibonacci tool is not just about putting it in any pivot that you like and magically the market will respect those support resistance target zones. Okay, so be very careful with how you use your fibs. For example, we have here from low to high, we have a target right down here which didn't reach, but I'm pretty sure that target zone was that. Okay, so be careful with your with using fibs because the reason many people do not believe in Fibonacci's or say that they don't work is because they don't know how to use them. Okay, learning to use fibs it's pretty complicated. Okay, it's not just a tool that you just put it here and there and that's it. Okay, so we mentioned that. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Okay, because we have 15-minute resistance, 15-minute support, 5-minute support, 5-minute resistance. Let's go to 5 minutes up, and we can see it right here. We got the low, we got the high, we got the support, we got the support holding. Okay, that's 15-minute support. Then we have that bounce of that major entry level, and we might see, okay, we might see a push to the upside, and that's exactly. I'm going to prepare my
order submitted.
Market order. This is very tricky. Okay, because we have a bigger time frame. Okay, a bigger time frame, 15 minutes, where we have a low, a high, and then a potential continuation to the downside. That is why the market is hanging around those two entry levels, the mini entry level for the 5 minutes and the major entry level for the 15. And now
Order canceled.
I was gonna buy, but now I'm seeing this price action, so I'm like, more than probably I am going to sell. It's really tricky. Anyway, 15-minute chart is the bigger the time frame, the stronger the move or the tendency of the market, right? So I don't know. I'm gonna take a shot here, just because the major entry is way stronger than the mini. And I'm seeing a reaction here, reaction here, reaction here. We've been seeing reactions, well, since yesterday at that level. But I think we could grab a few points here.
Order submitted.
A white gives me one.
Order submitted.
I have to fix that. Anyway. They should at least test this low right here, so that's 01. And I want to sell at the level or better.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. I would have loved to waited until that opening retracement, opening of this candle, a little retracement, and then a continuation, but that's okay. It is what it is. Trading is not perfect. We're in at 12, right? 12. Now, we have some room here, but I mentioned that they should at least retest this low. We're gonna have here 12.50. Okay. 12 points. That's pretty cool. 12.50. That's 25. That's $500. So that's exactly how many points I am going to look for. We have here a 74, 75, 75, 85. That would be my second take profit. If I was smart enough, not that I'm not smart, I would close one contract at 12.5 points and leave the other contract running until that second level of take profit. But I'm not gonna do that. I have my trading goals, I have my trading plan. This is gonna be perfect. So we have 12.5, and we're gonna have 400 as our target. Come on. Okay, they jump from 400 as my target. And now it's just a matter of what? Yeah, you guess it. Waiting time. Here we go. Well, I don't like to say it to myself, but I knew it. And there's a reason for that. Okay? I don't know what I was thinking. Okay? But things happen. I lost 10 points in this dump move. I reversed the trade. And one thing, I mean, reversing trades, it's very, very dangerous, because you might think, well, it didn't continue to the downside, I'm gonna reverse it because now it's moving to the upside, and then it starts moving to the downside again, and then you reverse and reverse. So never do that. The reason I reversed the trade has to do with this major entry level. I told you there's a reason for market doing this, and we're gonna talk about that after I finish this trade. So I lost 10 points, and 10 points now would be 32. That would be my break even level, which is happening right now. I'm going to add 5 more points, and that would be 32, 37. Well, let's do 38.50. 38.50, that should give me a little bit of profit, and I'm gonna be a hero saving the day here. Well, my own hero, right? So great. Trade management. Let's see how many points I can grab out of this move. So we have minus 10 points times 2 times 20 equals minus 400 bucks, and then we have whatever points we make times 2 times 20, and then we're gonna have the total. Okay, here they go. Come on, just give me a few. For anything over 4, it's gonna be great. We have a well, that resistance zone acting. It's about 100 points. 100 points, 100 bucks. Come on.
Target filled.
Okay, target filled. Well, that's how you save the day. We have here. Okay. I close, entry again. 20. Wow, what a difference. It was so volatile. Almost 1 point. Well, 1 point difference. So that'll be 22.50. 22.50 and 35 minus 22. That's 11 points. So we have here 11 points times 2 times 20 bucks equals that's 22. That's wow, that sucks. 500 no, 22. You see, I'm thinking other things. 22 minus 35. That is, wow, simple math. You see how trading affects our brain. That's 13 points. Now we're talking. 13. 13 points. I say, wow, yeah. Okay, so 13 points times 2, that's 26, times 20, that's 520. So $520. We have here $400. So we have total trade at 3 points, 6 points, which equals $120. Okay, not the best day, but I'm okay with that. I've been trading all night. I traded all the overnight, all the London session, morning session, and I am slammed. I don't have a brain for you. Wow, where are those videos of the London session? Well, I am doing the live analysis, okay, in the US morning session and the US afternoon session. So those are the videos you're gonna see in the VanLife Day Traders channel. All right, I could do 20 videos of my trades in the morning, in the evenings, in the overnight, but I want to focus on the live analysis sessions. So if you want to be part of that, we are testing a few things. So send me a message. Okay, we don't have the website up and running yet, but send me a message, 407-634-8256. Don't call me because I don't answer weird numbers. So send me a message. Hey Ra, I'm from your YouTube channel. I would like to attend those live trading sessions, and yeah, we'll make it happen. No charge for that. Okay, just us making analysis, entry levels, perhaps taking trades if there is a good setup. But yeah, hit me up. And well, that's it for now. Oh, I told you I was gonna tell you why market has been doing that all day. It has a reason, and the reason is, let me guess, let me know in the comments if you know how many letters did it took you to figure it out. First letter is gonna be W. Second letter is gonna be E. Third letter, D. Well, you should already know. Today's Wednesday, right? Is it? I don't even know what day is today. Yeah. It's Wednesday. You see those all night sessions? Oh, they make you so. Today's Wednesday. Ra, what does it mean today's Wednesday? Go back. I mean, not every day, but Wednesdays market has a tendency, okay, to go sideways. Okay, check it out. Usually, and this is something you only can figure out by studying the market. Okay, and it's a tendency. Not that is. Don't go trading or saying Ra said that market on Mondays do this and Wednesdays do this and Thursdays do this and Fridays do this. But there is a tendency, okay, of remember, this is all about probabilities. Monday, Tuesday, that's what we are seeing this week. Wednesday. Tomorrow, we could have a bearish tendency. Friday, we could, and this is very important, could. Okay? Of course, we don't care if the market goes up, we don't care if the market goes down, we don't care what the trade, well, we don't, I'm gonna talk by myself, okay? I don't care what the tendency is or the trend. It's funny because they say, oh, the trend is your friend until it ends. We have a trend here, but you know that if I identify a support resistance zone, I'm gonna look for entry levels, I'm gonna look for smaller resistance and support zones, and if I have enough points to make my trading goals, I'm gonna go per my trading plan and I'm gonna trade the counter trend, which is, I mean, in order for me to do this, it took me a lot of years of understanding the market. Okay, so don't go doing what I'm doing if you don't understand the strategy and if you don't understand price action. Now, if you want to understand the strategy and you want to understand price action and you want to learn how to use the tools, you know what to do. Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. You have a great one. Catching.